Welcome to Young Nails Northern Ireland, the family business dedicated to superb customer service. Young Nails Northern Ireland really takes the family business concept to a new level, with Glynis and all three daughters playing their part, as well as her. This family connection means our customers benefit from the dedicated personal service that you would expect. When it comes to nails, there simply is nowhere to match the huge range of products available. Whatever it is you are searching for, it is here. Everything you need, including Manicure gel polish, gels, acrylics, pigments and foils, mylar and confetti, files, buffers and much more. We deliver across Northern Ireland, so no matter where you are, we can help you with great looking nails. Not only do we deliver excellent products, superb advice and first-class customer service, but we're committed to professional development too, through innovative training provision, helping nurture the next generation of top-quality nail technicians.
Get in touch with myself or the girls here at Young Nails Northern Ireland on 02890 662080, or you can visit our website www.youngnailsni.co.uk.